This device right here helps me shoot a lot more content on my iPhone. It takes any friction out of the process because this is a super easy way to just film on the go, get family portraits. If you're shooting, videos like myself, this is a tripod. If you just tap the bottom here, this is gonna open up. You see how that just kind of flips open? And then this extends, this goes up to 66 inches. So super long tripod. You can see it can't even fit the full thing on here. Best part about it, in my opinion, is it is MagSafe. So right here, this part, and it folds, as you see, down perfectly. This actually rotates. There's a hinge kind of joint right here. So you see that I can angle this however I want. And then the actual head here, this part also angles, almost basically 180 degrees. So you can put your iPhone, any other MagSafe stuff on here. If you're not using MagSafe, you're really missing out. I think MagSafe is probably one of the best inventions ever for phones. Just all the things you can hook up with it and accessories. And for filming now too, it's really versatile. I used MagSafe on my Pixel phone even before when I had that for a while. So this is magnetic. Let me show you right here. I've actually got both. So for my iPhone, it just goes right onto there. You see how, this is nice and firm on there. It stays on. So the great thing is too, you can obviously, I can shoot in portrait, shoot in landscape, just easily rotate this. It's super easy to do that. As I said, I actually have my Pixel right here. This was my Pixel 7 Pro. I've got a MagSafe case on it and I'm able to do the same thing with that. So, don't have to have an iPhone, but just have to have a MagSafe case or otherwise have an iPhone. Any of the newer ones have this MagSafe. So pretty darn cool. It's got a really wide base on here. So I showed you this base. I mean, this is very wide. So even for using this outside, I'm pretty happy with that. I don't have to worry about wind blowing it over. It's a wide base of support. When you're putting this back then, and this is pretty lightweight. It's actually very lightweight. But you can scrunch this all the way back down like so. It gets to here. As I said, this top part even, you can kind of push in and it goes flat. Just watch your fingers folding in the bottom here. Kind of does one of these. Clamp it shut. The legs lock together and then boom. This is perfect for travel, perfect for the side of your backpack. Not taking up much room at all on a shelf or in a drawer or anything if you want that as well. But yeah, the cool thing is with this too then, there's actually a controller. It's a Bluetooth controller you can pair up with your phone right here. It sits in here recessed perfectly. If you pull this out, see it comes out like this. It actually sits in there pretty good too. Like there's really, no risk. If I smack this, try to knock it out, it's in there pretty good. It takes a little bit of force to get it out. So I have, no qualms about this possibly falling out during travel or coming off. So pretty neat, because then if you do want to use this, say, you want to take like a family shot or something at a holiday, you can set this up, set it up on vacation somewhere, walk away from it, and then you can use the remote trigger here, this Bluetooth device, to get that shot, 20 feet away from it. So Craft Geek did send this over. I've been using it for a couple of months now, and I've been really happy with it. This is something I've been using. I shoot a lot of product videos, even for like some B-roll shots or things where if I want to set this up and then I want to, go be in the scene or shoot my hands doing something, it's super easy because then, if I want a little higher, I just pull it out a little further. If I need to change that angle, you could get a little bit more of like a top-down angle. You can change it here. And, like I said, you can really see that angle. I can have the phone directed downward. I can have the phone directed upward. So you have a lot of flexibility with this. And as I said, this is very lightweight. Overall, it feels really good quality though. It doesn't feel cheap, doesn't feel like anytime you're adjusting it or anything like it's gonna bend or snap. I've had, tripods that are foldable in this size in the past, and they feel like a twig and like it's gonna snap. So this feels pretty robust, pretty nice. Like I said, if you're someone who wants to shoot more on your phone, maybe you haven't because it's kind of hard, or maybe if you're using some other type of adapter and stuff, you got to put a bracket on something. This is literally pop it out, tap it on the ground, bottom opens up from just tapping it on the ground, and then I literally just stick my phone on here, change the angle, and like boom, I could be filming myself right here just like I am for this video. Really happy with it, honestly. I think if you're a creator who uses your iPhone a lot or any other phone where you're gonna have some MagSafe accessories for it, I love it. I would highly recommend it.